who better to speak to than an actual taxi driver? Join me today whilst, nosingly I dig deeper into the taxi business. Let's go. There's one thing that many people want to know, and it's about money. Money is serious, isn't it, Rikisu? I can see the smile. You taxi drivers, you take somebody's car and then you say the car is damaged. You say, hey, I didn't go to work today. Or you use the car from morning to the next day that the car gets so weak that by 3 months time the car is destroyed. The taxi business is one that is booming in Ghana, and you will see taxis everywhere in Ghana. It's from the Dimples. Akua Dimples. I am signing in, guys. I feel like I am having too much fun in Ghana because I'm just enjoying every single bit of this, and I know I keep bringing you more videos, and thank you to the guys who are commenting about my consistency. It's simply because I'm loving what I'm doing. But today I want to talk to you about taxi business. Most of you saw the video where I was buying a car that could be used for a taxi, and you've asked questions about, oh, how much do taxi drivers make? I've had so many questions with regards to the business itself. So today, who better to speak to than an actual taxi driver? So we're going to hop into this taxi and we're going to have a bit of a one-on-one with the taxi driver as he drives us to our location. Join me today whilst nosingly I dig deeper into the taxi business. Let's go, guys. So good afternoon, brah.
Good afternoon, sister.
Please, what's your name?
My name is
Kwanzaa. Kofi Eric. So what can I call you for short? Kwanzaa or Kofi or Eric?
Call me
Ericus.
Yeah, that's the people known.
Ericus. Okay. So brah, what do you do for a living then? You're a taxi driver?
Yeah, I'm a taxi driver.
How is the taxi driver business in Ghana?
Ghana, taxi business is like, if it is not KMA and the police, a taxi driver is okay for the drivers.
Okay.
But because of the KMA, that's the
What's
warrior.
KMA?
KMA means Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. They ensure that when you park, then you didn't park well, they'll arrest you.
Okay.
For that job is KMA.
Okay.
When you park, then you don't park well. When you park the roadside, then the boot or at the back of the door is on the roadside, they can arrest you.
Okay. So they make the job harder for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long have you been driving a taxi?
Getting to 6 years.
6 years.
Yeah.
Wow. So you've been doing it for a long time.
Yeah.
So this car that you drive, is it yours?
Yeah, this one is for mine.
Is your car?
Yeah.
Hey, so you are, making lots of money then driving your own car. Ericsu.
Like, sister, it's not easy it's not easy to get your own car.
It's very true.
Yeah, it's not easy to get as a young boy like this. It's not easy to get your own car. But sometimes you work for different persons. You go and meet someone which is no. You go and meet someone. It's hard for that one day. You can pass all through this one, but if you are also quietly in that place, you can achieve what you want.
It's very true. It's very true. So, in all of this, driving a taxi, working, there's one thing that many people want to know, and it's about money.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about money. Let me even put this camera forward because money is serious, isn't it, Rikisu? I can see the smile.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we're going to discuss money with Arikisu today. So, how much, you said you bought this car yourself? How much did you get it for?
This car, I get it 120.
Okay.
120 million.
What's that in Ghana cedis?
In Ghana City, 12,000 Ghana cedis.
12,000 Ghana cedis.
That's the money I used to buy.
Okay, that's cheap. For coffee,
Yes.
how much did the other cars that were being sold were like 30-something thousand? So you got yours for 12,000 Ghana cedis.
12,000.
That means people were trying to bump me when I went to do the video about buying a taxi. Okay, so 12,000 Ghana cedis, and if we drive a taxi, how much would you say you make every day?
Like the sales
Yeah, on average, how much
on
money?
average. In our for this.
Sorry guys, the camera keeps shaking, you know, understandably, Ghana roads, and yeah,
If it is not a Christmas, like you get 1.5 in a day. Like
1.5, what's that in Ghana cedis? 150 Ghana cedis.
yeah, 150 Ghana cedis.
So 150 Ghana cedis a day, and that's guaranteed.
So you make a choice like you buy a fuel 50 cedis.
Okay, 50
Then
cedis on
also you
fuel.
make a sales for the car owner, also 50 cedis. Then also you take your own 50 cedis.
Okay.
So if you are wise, say like you
next left.
you will save the 30 cedis for 20 cedis. If you don't have a wife and a child, you can also chop that 20 cedis.
Okay, so you make 150 Ghana cedis minimum every day.
Yeah, minimum every day.
50 cedis on petrol.
Yeah.
You give, if the car is not yours, you give 50 cedis to the owner of the car.
Yeah,
And you are left with 50 Ghana cedis yourself.
yes.
So even if you eat, and let's say you are scrimping and you spend 10 Ghana cedis
Yeah.
or 20, you
20.
save about 30 Ghana cedis
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah.
How many days do you work a week?
Monday to Saturday.
So
And I
6
use
days a week.
6 days a week.
So 6 days a week, if you are taking home 30 Ghana cedis, that's 180 Ghana cedis
Yes.
a week
Yes.
that you get to have and save and put in a bank.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not too bad, I guess. So if you're getting about 180 Ghana cedis a week, then in a month, so 18 times 4, 10 times 4 is 40, 8 times 4 is 32.
Almost.
18 times 4 is what? 72?
If it is 200.
720. So in a month, as a driver, you've got 720 Ghana cedis
Yeah.
of pocket money. It doesn't take into petrol or anything like that. So that's not too bad then, isn't it?
Then I say if the KMA will not arrest you, giving you any worrying about that man, like you get that money.
Yeah, okay. So it's best you avoid getting arrested and getting parking tickets.
Yeah.
So guys, for us in the diaspora, speaking to Arikisu today, he was saying, you know, if the car doesn't belong to you, you give the owner of the car 50 Ghana cedis every day in sales. So if you want to get into the taxi business, he bought his car for 14,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, let's do the maths here, guys. And if every day you give it to someone to drive and they give you 50 Ghana cedis a day, they work 6 days a week. So every week you are going to get 300 Ghana cedis. Yes? Are you with me? Yes? So if we are getting 300 Ghana cedis in sales a week, in a month, let's say it's a 4-week month, that's 1,200 Ghana cedis every month. So for your 14,000 Ghana cedis taxi you bought, so if we do the 14,000 over the 1,200 you are getting every month, in 11 months you will make all your money that you use to buy the taxi. Less than a year, if you buy a taxi, the money that the driver will bring you in daily sales, in 11 months, that's if the driver is honest, you will make your money back. That's not too bad. So in 11 months, you either buy another taxi, or you take your money and run, depending on your experience. So driver, what I have heard from a lot of people though is that you taxi drivers, you take somebody's car,
Right.
and then you say the car is damaged. You say, hey, I didn't go to work today. Or you use the car from morning to the next day, that the car gets so weak that by 3 months' time, the car is destroyed. Is this true or not? Because this is what I've been hearing. Have you heard stuff like that? I'm not saying you do that, because I know you're a very honest man.
Oh, sister, thank you for your question. It seems the work is not easy. That's what I said in first. The work is not easy. So sometimes when the work will beat you or the work will not go well. So if the car is not belongs to you, then it belongs to maybe another man, another woman. Like if you say today did not go to work, it did not go as well as I said it. Like when I started in the morning, I work I start 6 o'clock, then getting to 12 o'clock, then I come and tell you, oh, the car is spoiled. Meanwhile, it is not spoiled. So that money, it goes to my pocket.
Do people do that?
Oh, normally.
Normally they do. Okay.
Normal.
It's normal for them to do that.
Normal.
So for someone who lives abroad now and wants to come to Ghana and buy a taxi and give it to someone as business, would you advise they do it?
You said that the hands is not the same. Our fingernails is not the same.
Yes.
So far as we have black and white people, also we are not the same. Maybe our behaviors and also it's not the same. So the only thing I wish to demand for that person or advise that person, we are in like everybody has a character.
So everyone's different. You're saying
everybody is different. So if you buy it too, but we see it's not good for you. Maybe I could feel good for you.
Okay, So you're saying there are honest people out there.
Yeah.
So you would advise that we do buy the taxi, but you just find the right person. Okay. Straight. Sorry guys, he's taking us somewhere now. I'm just doing lots of talkings. So Arikusu is saying to us that actually
Erikus.
Oh, sorry, Erikus. I've been saying the name wrong all along. Erikus is saying that, you know, he does advise that you buy the taxi and get into the business because he thinks it's good money. He thinks it's good money, but you just have to find the right person. And guys, if I'm honest, since being in Ghana, that's one of the struggles. You just have to keep trying until you find the right person. But when you do find the right person, I guess it's going to be worth it, because in 11 months time you're going to get your money back and buy another taxi and just keep building. It's been nice speaking to you today, Arikusu.
Oh, thanks.
Erikus. Why am I getting the name so wrong? Erikus. It's been great talking to you, and thank you for giving us an insight into business, the taxi business in Ghana. Guys, I'm continuing my adventures in Ghana, and I'm bringing you the secrets and the real truth, even from the locals, people with experience. And today we've just encountered Erikus. Yes, I said the name right. Thank you very much. And until next time, guys, comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to cover whilst I'm in Ghana. And I'll see you very soon. Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Akua Dimples. I am signing out. Bye.